Now that we understand getStaticPaths a bit more, we have gone over the rules as well. Let's take a look at some characteristics of getStaticPaths. Now, getStaticPaths, just like getStaticProps, also runs at build time. So when getStaticProps runs and pre-renders the content, similarly getStaticPaths will also pre-render paths for all the dynamic routes. Just like getStaticProps, getStaticPaths also runs on server side. So let's take a look at that. We are back in this file, coffee store, right? And this is where we implemented getStaticPaths. Now if we copy this code and go to our app, which allows us to check what gets bundled in client-side code. So on the left-hand side, let's go ahead and paste it. And you can see on the right-hand side that getStaticPaths nor getStaticProps are included on the client-side bundle. So this means that this code is going to run on server and not on the client, which validates our point right here. And this is the next point as well, that it won't be included in client-side bundle. And lastly, on dev, getStaticPaths runs on client and server side both. And what this means is that whenever we try to run getStaticPaths, it is always running. So anytime you refresh the page, it is always going to run. But in reality, when we deploy our application and when we build it, in that case, getStaticPaths is only going to run once. Now, this is fully dependent on if it has fallback true or false, and accordingly, it will run. Alright. I hope this gives you a good understanding of getStaticProps and getStaticPaths overall. I'll see you in the next one.